Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dream and I make mommy content, a lot of cleaning and organizing and all of that stuff because I love it. So today's video, I am going to overhaul our fridge. I picked up some supplies from HomeGoods. I think I'll need some more things, but I don't know yet because I haven't started. But I'll show you what I picked up from HomeGoods and we will clean out the fridge and then get everything put back in. So hopefully it'll be nice and neat. But let me go and grab the supplies from HomeGoods. Oh. So I have never had one of these before, so we grabbed a kit. I am not gonna link the one on Amazon because it is $10 more. No, thank you. I want you guys to go and stock your HomeGoods and see if you can find this set. They have a lot of acrylic. Our HomeGoods had like a acrylic aisle, but one side of the aisle was mostly all of the acrylic stuff. So I picked up this set. It's just a 6-piece set. So like I said, I know I'll need more items, but this is a great start. And I'll show you guys. It was only $19.99. And on Amazon, it is $30.99. Like, no thank you. So this is the set we picked up. So we picked up one of those egg acrylic, and it had great reviews on Amazon. The egg acrylic holders, and this holds 14 eggs. We think we're gonna need another one of these, so we'll see. And then we also picked up, this one is for like cans, and we are like sparkling water fanatics, so we think we're gonna need another one of these too. But this is for cans, so that'll be for our sparkling water. And then it came with 2 bigger bins. Oops, if I can get these out. And I have no idea what I'm gonna use these for, but I will find something. And then 2 skinnier bins, and I'm not really sure what I'll use these for either, but we will figure out something, right, Brooklyn? Come here. Hello. Hello. So we're gonna figure out something. So I'm so excited to organize this fridge. It's been like the bane of my existence. So I am super excited. So let's get organizing. Do you wanna say something? Okay, go. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
So that is it, folks. On the top shelf, I have some of our dairy products that are easy to grab. I have some wine, and then our egg carton. We're going to grab another one of those. I also have some easy to prepare meals, some chicken leftovers, and then some meat that we're going to cook. And then I did a whole drawer of bread and tortillas. I just thought this was the best for us. They're all contained in one area. And this other drawer just has extra items. So extra water, extra just cans and whatnot. This third shelf actually has on it leftovers, some orange juice, and then the fruit I wanted it easy out and available for the kids, sparkling water, and then my husband's beer is also there. In the bottom drawer, you can see that I put in one of the acrylic bins, but I put in the loose cheese there, and then we have a bunch of different types of cheese that I have organized in there. I also have some of our dips that are organized in there as well, and our butter. And then on the other side, I have our meats that we use to make sandwiches. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope it provided you some inspo to get your fridge cleaned out. We will see you in our next one. Bye.
Bye.